Hello, it's Mama Mo here.
Here in my Grow Your Food series, you will see what I planted, how they grew. I will also show you ideas on how you eat what you plant.
Hi, I wanted to introduce you to a very special plant. This is my strawberry plant, which I bought this spring, and look, I have 2 more strawberries growing. See this? Here's the other one.
I replanted this from the Home Depot pot.
Look at my strawberries and flower. Oh, look. Look at that. That might become a real strawberry. Ooh, look what we have here. Strawberry growing. So I wanted you to be here, show you that I'm going to pick them. There you go, here's one. Here's the other one.
Aside from the fruit, I was also able to take nice photos of the strawberry plant. And now, although I didn't get enough strawberries, we can make salad or garnish a charcuterie board, make strawberry jam, and of course, bake a strawberry shortcake. Remember to like and share this video. It makes a great add-on to your breakfast omelette too. For suggestions in my strawberry series.
Here's another one, a baby one, so it's still green. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to watch all the videos in this Grow Your Food series. And send me your suggestions for the plants to grow next year.